How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Cashless Investors. Yeah, I know it's been a while since I last posted, but let's get straight to the point, right? Let's talk about NIO. My name is Nelson Kayanga, and this is the Cashless Investors.
All I hear, go get the money, so I go get it.
All right, guys, welcome back to the Cashless Investors. So if I'm not mistaken, the last time I posted a video, NIO was trading at around $12 or $15 per shares. And today, NIO is trading at around $8 per shares. Okay, so what has changed? Okay, if I changed my opinion with regard to investing on NIO, if I decided to sell, to buy more? And the answer is one and simple.
I'm not fucking leaving.
And here's why. Okay, so if you put things into perspective, what has happened to NIO in the last 2 years has not been anything related to NIO itself. Okay, I'll put the latest earning report aside for now, but it hasn't been anything related to NIO itself. Okay, fundamentally speaking, NIO is solid. Okay, it is delivering more cars than it has delivered in the last 2 years. Okay, NIO entered different markets. Okay, in the last 2 years, it was only China, and now NIO is in Europe, is in countries such as Germany, Denmark, Sweden. Okay, so NIO is expanding its footprint. Yeah, that's one of the reasons. And the battery swap station, they are gaining more and more footprint. And I'm not going to get tired of saying, I consider the battery swap stations to be a competitive advantage for NIO. I think most of the companies are also going to start using battery swap station because, man, there is a lot of positive side with the battery swap station. So that's number two. Okay, battery swap station are still expanding. They are building more and more battery swap station. And third, confidence. Have you seen any insider? Let's talk about in the management team. Have you seen William Lee selling any shares of NIO? Of course not, man. That guy owns about 10% of NIO shares, and the guy hasn't sold any single shares of NIO. That transmits to me the confidence that the CEO has in the company. He believes in the business strategy. He believes on what he's doing, and he's not selling. And let me put Billy Gifford on that conversation as well. This institution has been heading shares of NIO quarter over quarter. Man, now tell me, if an institution as big as the Billy Gifford one has been adding shares of NIO, they have the team, they have the resource to do their research and decide on the investment strategy that they have. They haven't been selling any single shares. Like, why on earth am I going to sell a single share of NIO? Okay, I do my research as well, but these guys have a very solid team to do their research. So why am I going to sell my shares? And besides that, fundamentally speaking, the company is solid. They believe on the strategy that they have. They believe that they are going to break even sooner than expected, and they are doing everything possible to enter the US market. Although I think going to Mexico would be a much better strategy, just as like Elon Musk with Tesla has done. Okay, they are going to build a gigafactory in Mexico. That's a very good and very bold move. I would advise NIO to go to Mexico rather than the US. But anyways, if we enter the US market, that's a very good boost. Now, let me tell you what happened in the last couple of months. The FUD, the listing FUD is gone. Okay, literally gone. Nobody talks about anymore about NIO being delisted. So why on earth are you selling your shares? I mean, the company has only grown on the last couple of months. Okay, the ET5 delivery numbers is increasing, which I consider to be one of the best cars in the market right now. I've never been in that car, but I believe to be from the reports I've been reading, from the videos I've been seeing, man, this car is a game changer. So, and I want you guys to understand that NIO, please stop comparing NIO to Li Auto or XPeng. They are not on the same market. NIO is there to compete with car makers such as Mercedes, BMW, and Audi. Okay, not even Tesla. Tesla is not part of NIO's competition. Yeah, NIO is there to eat Audi's meal. NIO is there to eat Mercedes' meal, and we are going to do it. All right, so I am not selling any single shares. That's the bottom line, guys. And I hope you do the same. But as I said as a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. These are my opinion only. See you guys in the next video. Please subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and see you guys in the next video.